What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw a simple Christmas elf. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come down towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. Now we want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So let's line up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now along the top of each eye, draw a small circle for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now we want to line up with the bottom of the eyes in towards the center and draw the top of the mouth. We'll start with a curve going up and then down. Go back to the left side, curve the bottom of the mouth, coming down and then up. In the center of the mouth, let's add a curve going up and down for the tongue. Now we move up above the eyes and draw a curve for the hat. Let's start all the way over on the left side, bend this up in the middle, and bend that down towards the right. Now along the edge of the hat above the left eye, we're going to draw the hair. We're going to bend this down, go across towards the right eye, bend this up, and then across. Let's add some hair across the side. From the edge of the hat, bend this around, and then in. Just pull this back up and then in towards the edge of the hat, just up above the eyes. Now in between the hair, we're going to draw the bottom of the head. Let's start over on the left side, curve this down, go across just underneath the mouth, and then bend that up towards the right. Let's tuck the ears along the side of the hair. Let's start from this point, draw a straight line going up and out. And then from here, curve the ear coming down and then back in towards the side of the head. Let's add a fold along the top with a short angled line going up and out. Now we want to add a pointed hat brim across the top. Let's start right in the middle, draw an angled line coming down now towards the left and right side. Now we'll continue to add some more points going out towards the side, going up on the left and then back down. Now I want to add one more point, going up and out on either side. Let's bring this down on top of the ears. Let's brush the hat over toward the left side. From this point, step down, curve the top of the head. We're going to go up, go around, and then down towards the left. I just want to bend that back up towards the tip. Let's curve this back down and in towards the side of the hat brim. From this point, let's step down and draw a curve for fold, going up and then across. Now in behind the tip, we draw a circle, go all the way around and back in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start underneath the head, then the body going out and then down on either side. Close off the bottom with a curve. From the left side, let's step up. Add another curve for the top of the belt. Leave a gap in the center, draw two lines for the side of the buckle. And then we want to trace the buckle along the inside. Let's add a collar going across underneath the head, coming down and then up. And then in the center, we'll add one small button. Let's add the bottom of the tunic. Starting from the bottom of the belt, angle this down and out on either side. Close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add a trim across the bottom. And then from the collar, we draw a straight line going in behind the button and the belt. Let's move to the center, draw a straight line coming down in between the legs. And we'll curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and then up on either side. Round up the toe and bend that back in. And draw a straight line going up underneath the tunic. Now from the ankle, it's going to draw a curve coming down and up towards the inside leg, the edge of the shoe. And then we want to add some stripes going across the leg. From the top of the shoe, let's step up. I'm going to add some curves going across towards the top. And we'll just line that up on the right side. Now going back up to the top, we just want to stretch the arms out towards the side. Let's start from the top of the body, draw a straight angle line going in behind the tip of the hair, and then out. Just flatten off the wrist with a short angled line coming down. And we'll follow that same angled line coming back in towards the side of the body. Now we want to add some stripes going across the arm. On the wrist, we'll step in. We're just going to continue to add these lines coming in towards the body. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the top of the wrist and add the thumb. We're going to go up and then bend that down. Go back to the left side, we draw the hand going out, around, and then up toward the bottom of the wrist. Now I want to give our character some long hair tucked in behind the body. Let's start underneath the ear, bend this down in behind the arm, continue down below, we're going to come around and then out. Now it's going to work our way in behind the body and then up towards the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw a cute Christmas elf. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.